New words with sentences. Don't think, just start daily practice with English Signal.
Illegible, illegible.
Meaning, a handwriting that cannot be read. Example, doctor handwriting is totally illegible.
Oversleep, oversleep.
Meaning, if you have slept for longer than you intended, you can use the verb oversleep. Example, I overslept this morning, that's why I was late for work.
Diastema, diastema.
Meaning, a space or gap between two upper teeth. Example, food is transferred into these pouches through the diastema.
Bloat, bloat.
Meaning, make or become swollen with fluid or gas. Example, I feel really bloated after that meal.
Askew, askew.
Meaning, not straight or level. Example, his shirt was wrinkled, and his tie was askew.
Blow dry, blow dry.
To dry hair with a small electric device. Example, don't forget to blow dry your hair before you go out.
Breaststroke, breaststroke.
Meaning, a way of swimming. Example, I can only do the breaststroke.
Backstroke, backstroke.
Meaning, a way of swimming while lying on your back. Example, can you do backstroke?
Abort, abort.
Meaning, to end a pregnancy before a baby is fully developed. Example, they decided to abort the pregnancy.
Abuse, abuse.
Meaning, to treat a person or animal badly and cruelly, or to use something in the wrong way. Example, he abused his wife both mentally and physically.
Underline, underline.
Meaning, to draw a line under a word, to emphasize. Example, all the technical words have been underlined in red.
stowaway, stowaway,
Meaning, a person who hides on a train, board, ship, so as to get a free passage. Example, a stowaway was discovered on the train.
aftertaste, aftertaste,
Meaning, the flavor that a food or drink leaves in your mouth when you have swallowed it. Example, some vinegars have a sweet aftertaste.
back to back, back to back,
Meaning, with backs touching or toward each other. Example, we stood back to see who was taller.
teetotaler, teetotaler,
Meaning, a person who doesn't drink alcohol. Example, he was a non-smoking teetotaler.
capsize, capsize,
Meaning, to turn over or sink a boat and ship in the water. Example, the canoe suddenly capsized.
chauffeur, chauffeur,
Meaning, a person employed to drive a private car or hired car. Example, the chauffeur drove me down the street and then parked it back.
abscess, abscess,
Meaning, a painful, swollen area in the body that contains pus, a thick yellow liquid. Example, she had an abscess on her back.
airsick, airsick,
Meaning, having the feeling that you will vomit because of the movement of an aircraft. Example, I was violently airsick all the way.
right, right,
Meaning, to make twisting movements with the body, especially because you are feeling strong emotion. Example, she lay on the floor writhing in pain.
Thank you for watching. Don't think, just practice every day.